Let's know about Holi, the festival of colors. Holi is the most vibrant of all Hindu festivals. It is marks the end of winter in India and welcomes the spring season. On this festival day, people play with colors, meet and greet one another, and create new beginnings. But do you know the real reason why Holi is celebrated? Like every other festival, in India, Holi is also associated with popular legends. The story of Holika Dahan. There was a powerful king named Hiranyakasipu. He was a devil and was hated for his cruelty. He considered himself to be God and wanted everybody in his kingdom to worship him like one. However, his own son Prahlad was a devotee of Lord Vishnu and refused to worship his father. Angrily with the disobedience of his son, Hiranyakasipu tried killing his son a number of times, but nothing worked. He then asked his evil sister Holika for help. Holika possessed a special power of being immune to fire. So to kill Prahlad, she tricked him into sitting with her on a fire. But due to his evil intentions, her power became ineffective and she was burned to ashes. On the other hand, Prahlad gained this immunity and was saved. This is why the first day of Holi is celebrated as Holika Dahan and the symbol the victory of good over evil. The second story is the story of Radha Krishna. In the region of Braj in Uttar Pradesh, Holi is celebrated until the day of Rang Panchami as a huge festival in memory of the devotional love of Radha and Krishna. A local legend is associated with this as well. When Krishna was a baby, he acquired distinctive blue skin color after drinking the poisoned breast milk of the sea demon Putana. Later, when he became young, he would often feel sad whether the fair colored Radha or other girls in the village would ever like him because of his dark color. Giving into his desperation, Krishna's mother asked him to go and color Radha's face with any color he wanted to, and since then people have started playing with color on Holi. The first day of the festival is celebrated as Holika Dahan or Choti Holi. After sunset, people gather around the fire, performing puja and then light it. People even sing and dance around the fire as they symbolize the triumph of good over evil. The second day of Holi is called Rangwali Holi, Dhuleti, Dhagwa or Badi Holi. This is a day when people apply colors on one another, doing party and enjoy. Children and youngsters play in group with dry colors called abir or gulal, pichkaris, water balloons filled with color solutions and other creative things. You might even find groups of people with drums and other musical instruments on street dancing and singing their way from the one place to another. Let us know the special feast. Gujia is a special sweet which is made in every household in India during Holi. It is a dumpling filled with khoya and dry fruits. The customary drink of Holi is thandai, which generally contains bhang. You know the best place to celebrate the Holi in India? Holi celebrations are carried out in different manners in different parts of the country. While West Bengal celebrates Holi as Dhol Yatra with singing and dancing. The people of South India worship the god of love Kamdeva on Holi. In Uttarakhand it is celebrated as Kaumuni Holi with singing classical ragas. In Bihar people traditionally clean their houses and then celebrate the festival. To best experience the festival of Holi in India, in Uttar Pradesh, and more specifically to those areas that are closely associated with Lord Krishna like Braj, Mathura, Vrindavan, Barshana and Nandgaon. All of these places become quite touristic during the celebrations. The town of Barsana celebrates the Lathamar Holi, where women playfully beat men with sticks while men run around with shields to protect themselves. This became even more fun and interesting when people together singing and dancing. It is said the spirit of Holi encourages the feeling of brotherhood in society, and even the enemies turn friend on this day. People of all communities and even religion participate in this joyous and colorful festival and strengthen the secular fabrics of the nation. Happy Holi to all.